Hello, people! When preparing the work area for cleaning fabric upholstery, the size and location and frequency of use of the furniture will be contributing factors to how and when the cleaning should be taken place. Preparing the work site will help everything run smoothly as planned. Firstly, it is best to conduct cleaning when it will have little impacts on guests, when it allows for sufficient time to dry before use, and when the area is cleared out from any obstacles and rubbish. Depending on the size of furniture, most of the cleaning will take place where the furniture is actually located. For example, in the lobby area, in the restaurant, or in the lounge area. If this is the case, there are two things you need to do. First, remove any items such as newspaper, magazines, or cushions off the surface you are going to clean. Move them to a safe place so it will be easier for you to clean the furniture thoroughly. Second, conduct the cleaning at night or at another low traffic time to minimize inconvenience to people. If the cleaning must be taken place at busy hours, place a yellow sign or a wet furniture sign in a suitable location to ensure all customers don't sit on the furniture while it's wet. That is the preparation of work area before you clean fabric upholstery according to the Asian standard. In the next video, you will learn further about how to clean fabric upholstery appropriately, nurturing you to grow.